Hi teacher and partners, my name is Carlos Julian Gomez Rangel. This activity is task 4, time to talk. Tell me about yourself. My name is Carlos Julian. I am an environmental engineer student. I currently work with the government of Santander. I am 23 years old. I live in Iran. I like to be in contact with nature, eat healthy, exercise, and read personal motivation books every day. What do you do to help the environment? In the house, all the materials that can be used are recycled to incorporate tin into the production process. In the sector, trees are planted to help with care of environment. At home, water and energy are saved to contribute to the environmental cause. For you, what are some consequences as consumers? How can you help to reduce it? People do not want to learn to recycle, reduce and reuse. So natural resources are more affected. Destruction of natural resources, water, soil, air. Destruction of ecosystems because the environment is not cared for. What is the world environment problem in your area? What causes it? Deforestation is the main environmental problem because green areas are destroyed for the construction of apartments. Population growth deteriorates natural resources and increases environmental problems. In your opinion, where are the rainforests disappearing in our country? How could it be solved? Deforestation destroys many forests and kills the animals that live there. It is the main cause of the extinction of different species. Plant loss is great when these destructive practices are carried out in an ecosystem. What is deforestation? It is known as the activity that changes the tree cover of forest areas of non-forest land for urban use. The exploitation of forests leads to the loss of vegetation cover. As the consequence of this activity, there are ecological and environmental imbalances and the reduction of natural habitat, causing the loss of many species that inhabited ecosystems. The main causes of this problem are urbanization, mining, natural and human causes fires, legal and illegal logging, and extensive agriculture. Environmental impacts in the Amazonas. Many ecosystems are affected by indiscriminate cutting of trees, causing damage and loss in the many hectares where this practice is carried out. It is essential to protect all the forests and jungles of our country because it depends on them that climate change does not continue to cause effects worldwide as has been seen today. Remember that climate change not only causes deterioration in the human species, it also brings complications for the different species that inhabit planet Earth. Losses on fauna and flora. Affected species. Losses of many animals are caused, but among the most outstanding are the spectacled bear, the jaguar, the white-headed marmoset, the solitary egret. The species, when losing their natural habitat, can deteriorate their natural life cycle. Affected plants. In the same way, many plants are lost, but among the most recognized we find the abarco, the lily orchid, the ambiguous bromeliads, the bromeliad nidus, the cedar, the slender coquito, the cradlet of Venus, and the chanur. Solution to the problem. It is the responsibility of human beings to take care of the forests and green areas of the different sectors. It is essential to guarantee the continuity of life. Reforestation is the main activity that can be carried out to stop the loss of ecosystems affected by deforestation. Thank you very much. Bye bye.